Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Bubble Starter projects for building SaaS apps, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Bubble website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Bubble account. From the Bubble homepage, locate the Templates section. Click on the Templates link to access various starter projects. Use the search bar to find specific SaaS app templates. Browse through the available options until you find a suitable starter project. Click on the template to open its details page. Review the features and functionalities of the template. Check the pricing information and ensure it fits your budget. Click on the Use this template or Get Started button. You may be prompted to confirm your selection. After confirmation, you will be directed to your Bubble dashboard. Once in your dashboard, locate the new project created from the template. Click on the project to open the Bubble editor. Familiarize yourself with the editor interface. Customize the template to fit your SaaS app needs. Test the functionalities using the preview feature. Make any additional adjustments as needed. Save your changes regularly to avoid losing any progress. When ready, plan the next steps for your application's launch. Explore Bubble's resources for further guidance on building and launching your app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.